Here at the Pamela Springs. This property is 2800 Elata, but it is the same floor plan as 2800 Brittlebush Drive. This one is further along, so they want me to show you this one. When you first come in the entryway, to your immediate left to be you can utilize either as an office or a formal dining, I would imagine. And then to your right here is your primary bedroom. It's at the front of the home. There's a walk-in shower, tile surround, soaker tub, the dual vanities, and then your walk-in closet, thinking room. This one actually comes with the linen closet as well, which is nice. As you come in as well, there's a half bath right in the little entryway going into the kitchen. This will be your breakfast nook, kitchen. Your laundry room will be right off of your kitchen. And then your living room. And then a standard 2-car garage. A little bit of extra space here for if you wanted to have some storage, which is nice to have. And then upstairs will be your secondary bedrooms. So as soon as you get up on the landing to your immediate right is your first secondary bedroom. So bedroom number 2. Decent sized bedroom, walk-in closet. This would be your bonus room, aka gaming room. It does have a closet, so some storage there. And then to your right, bedroom number 3, larger bedroom. It's got a secondary bath. And then bedroom number 4. Decent sized bedroom. I believe this one has a standard size closet, not a walk-in. He did say that this is the same floor plan as the Forsyth, but the other property on actual Brittlebush is not as far along as this one is. Just wanted to show you the layout, and then I will actually go show you the location of Brittlebush, and I walked that property too so you can see what it has as well. And that is it.